Assalamu alaikum to all my students. We are back with English subject for class 6, Grammar Gate, Unit 2, Pronouns. Before moving to some more rules on the use of pronouns, let us check the answers of the exercise which was given to you in our previous video. The question was, rewrite the sentences in brackets to fit the context, use one or ones. Now students, we already discussed that one is used for singular and ones is used for ones, and for plural we use ones. And we also discussed that one and ones are used in place of noun which is repeating in the next sentence. So in order to avoid this repetition of the noun, we use one or ones. Let us check the answers. Number 1, I like the blue sari. I don't like the red, but I like the blue one. So here, instead of repeating sari, we wrote one, that is for noun. Have you got an eraser? I need an eraser. Have you got one? Would you like a chocolate? These chocolates are tasty. Would you like one? Can we have some clean cups? These cups are dirty. Can we have some clean ones? So students, you can observe here that for cups we used ones because cups is plural. For singular we use one and for plural noun we use ones. Number 5, I need a big bag. This bag is too small. I need a big one. Number 6, I would like a small house with a garden. I'm looking for a house. I would like small one with the garden. So here instead of house we use the word one. Number 7, I bought new shoes. I threw away the old shoes and bought new ones. So here shoes is a plural noun. For plural we use ones. The tall boys sit at the back. The short boys sit at the front and tall ones sit at the back. Some more rules on the use of nouns. Rule number 1. You have to understand the order of pronoun. Pronoun should go in the proper order. That is, the person spoken to should come first, the person spoken of should come second, and the speaker should come third. Let us understand this through example. Before that, understand that the second person comes first, then the third person and the first person should come last. I and he are brothers. Here I is the person who is the speaker. That is, the speaker should come at the last. I and he is the person spoken of. So I and he are brothers is a wrong statement. You should use he and I are brothers. Similarly, I and you are friends. Here I is a speaker and you, that is this person spoken to, are friends. So here you and I are friends. Rule number 2 says the verb must agree with its antecedent pronoun in number and person. Antecedent means is a word which stands for pronoun. So here I who is your brother must help is a wrong statement. Why? Because after who it is. For I we always use am. We never use is. So here it says that verb must agree with its antecedent pronoun in number and in person. So I who is your brother must help is a wrong one. I who am your brother must help you. So I who am your brother must help you is a correct statement. Rule number 3 says, let is a verb. It should be followed by a pronoun in object form. Here, let I go. So whenever the word let comes, you cannot use object form of pronoun but subject form. Instead of let I go, we'll use let me go. So I is a subject form and me is an object form. Let we go is a wrong statement. Let us move. So instead of we will use object form of we, that is us. Rule number 4 says the verbs given below are followed either by an object or a reflexive pronoun. So here let us recall what is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is a pronoun in which the object and the subject are both the same. So here rule number 4 says that the verb given are followed either by an object or reflexive pronoun. Amuse, blame, cut, dry, enjoy, help, hurt, introduce, kill, prepare, satisfy, teach. These all are followed either by an object or reflexive pronoun, verb. For example, I introduced her to the principal. Here her is an object. I introduce myself to the principal. So here we end up our lesson pronoun. As a homework, you have one exercise on page number 29 of your Grammar Brigade textbook. That exercise will be discussed in our next video.